Hello, come back again with Learning Thai with Tuk today. And yes, we are still talking about the festival. And yes, one of the festival in Thailand that is very near soon is Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy is a new year, festive. So Happy New Year is the word that we always talking or saying when it's Christmas and New Year together. So we can say like Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year in English, but in Thai we say สวัสดีปีใหม่ สวัสดีปีใหม่ Happy New Year สวัสดีปีใหม่ we cannot translate or interpret direct to the meaning because happy is ความสุข New Year is ปีใหม่ความสุขปีใหม่ or ปีใหม่ความสุข but in Thai we say สวัสดีปีใหม่สวัสดีปีใหม่ สวัสดีปีใหม่ okay สวัสดี is like a kind of greeting but this one is when you say to Thai people like สวัสดีปีใหม่ everyone know exactly that you mean about the happy new year so we can say like that สวัสดีปีใหม่สวัสดีปีใหม่สวัสดีปีใหม่ so I also wish you all the viewers that watch my videos happy new year สวัสดีปีใหม่ค่ะ and hope all of you have a healthy, being prosperity, and also have a lot of happiness. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.